Hi dear students, in yesterday's class we have studied the first guided media, that is coaxial cable. So in today's lecture we are going to study the second guided media, that is twisted pair. So now let us see what is meant by twisted pair. So twisted pair cable looks like this. So look on screen. So twisted pair cables looks like this. So why these are called as twisted pair cables? Because two wires are twisted together and used as a single wire here. So that is why name is twisted pair cable. Clear? So these twisted pair cables are categorized into two types, that are types of twisted pair cables are UTP and STP. So UTP means what? Unshielded twisted pair, and STP means shielded twisted pair. Unshielded means uncovered, shielded means covered. So in twisted pair there are two types, that are unshielded and shielded twisted pair. So now let us see how shielded and unshielded twisted pair looks. So in this diagram you can see this is the shielded twisted pair. So here twisted pairs are two pairs of cables that are having copper conductor, and on that plastic covering is there, and those all twisted pair cables are inserted within braided or foil shields, so that provide the protection or covering for wires. So that is why these are called as shielded. And the next part is outer jacket. So outer jacket also provide the protection. Clear? So now let us see unshielded twisted pair. So in unshielded twisted pair, again the same pair of cables are used for data transmission, and those wires consisting of copper conductor. Clear? So these are unshielded twisted pair, because this, like the shielded twisted pair, there is a braided or foil shield, but in unshielded twisted pair it is not present. So covering is not there for copper twisted pair wires. Clear? So that is why it is called as unshielded, means uncovered, and outer jacket provides the protection. Clear? So by looking at both diagrams you can understand the difference. Shielded twisted pair, there is one extra covering is there, that is made up of foil, and in unshielded there is no extra covering, so it is uncovered or unshielded. So now let us see characteristics of shielded and unshielded twisted pair one by one. So in simple, UTP means unshielded twisted pair looks like this. Okay, so here plastic casing means that is the plastic covering that provides protection, and these are the twisted pair cables. So characteristics of unshielded twisted pair are: first one is low cost, its cost is less. Second one is easy to install. So already I have told you what is meant by easy to install. Easy to install means one wire can be connected to another wire easily, and also can be connected to any device easily. So it is easy to install. Then third characteristic is high speed capacity. First two characteristics are same as coaxial cable, but third characteristic is different. So it has more speed than coaxial cable. Then next one is high attenuation. So it has high attenuation. Then next one is effective to EMI, electromagnetic interference, means the unshielded twisted pair also get effect from electromagnetic interference. So this is one of the disadvantage here. It cannot avoid interference from electromagnetic, it will get effect. Clear? The next characteristic is 100 meter limit. So 100 meter limit means what? It is a distance limited. So again it is one of the disadvantage. So based on the characteristic we can divide them into advantages and disadvantages. disadvantages. So you can guess them easily, right? So advantages of unshielded twisted pair are, first one is it is easy to install, means installation is easy. Second one is capable of high speed for LAN. So as its capacity is high speed, we can use it for high speed LANs. Then third advantage is its cost, that is low cost. Clear? Then disadvantage of unshielded twisted pair, that is short distance. So short distance is the disadvantage because it get effect from high attenuation. So high attenuation means it is also one type of disturbance only. So that attenuation will decrease the energy of signal. So because of that, whenever we transmit data for long distance using unshielded twisted pair, the data signal get decreased for very low points. Clear? So because of that decrease, the destination cannot reach data perfectly. So that is why it is better for only short distance data transmission. So because of this point, it is a disadvantage here. For long distance transmission, we cannot use unshielded twisted pair. Clear? Okay, the next one is next type of twisted pair, and what it is? STP. STP means shielded twisted pair. So shielded twisted pair looks like this. So now it is what? Plastic covering. It is a plastic covering, and it is a extra covering that is provided for twisted pairs. So this is made up of braids or foil. Clear? And these are the twisted pairs. So why these are called as twisted pairs? Because they are overlapped. Two wires are overlapped with each other. So that is a twisted pair. Two wires. Clear? Any doubt here? So once again look at unshielded, then look at shielded. So you can understand what is the difference between shielded and unshielded. In shielded, only plastic covering is there. No extra covering which is made of foil. Clear? But in shielded, there is one plastic covering, with that one extra covering, and then the cables are present within these two coverings. So that is why this is called as shielded twisted pair. So now let us see characteristic of shielded twisted pair. First characteristic is medium cost. So medium cost means you can understand it is not cheap as coaxial cable and unshielded, and not high cost as optical fiber. So it is of medium cost. And second characteristic is easy to install. Third characteristic is higher capacity than UTP. Higher capacity than UTP means its capacity, that may be in terms of speed or in terms of distance, its capacity is more than unshielded twisted pair. Then fourth characteristic is higher attenuation, but same as UTP. So it also get affected by attenuation, same as UTP. Then next one is medium immunity from EMI. So it also get affected by electromagnetic interference definitely, but not as much as coaxial cable and UTP. Coaxial cable and UTP get more interference from electromagnetic signal, but it also get affect, but that is medium. That average is medium. Then its distance is 100 meter limit. Okay. So next one is advantages of shielded twisted pair. So first advantage and very important advantage is shielded. So what it means? Because in shielded twisted pair, cables are shielded. That is only its advantage. Means all cables are covered by a proper covering so that extra interferences are not get affect the data. Clear? So that is why advantage is it is a shielded, means it is a covered, and that covering provides safety for inner pair of cables. Then second advantage is faster than UTP and coaxial cable. Faster than UTP and coaxial cable, because means its speed is more than UTP and coaxial cable. Then disadvantages of STP. So first disadvantage is it is more expensive than UTP and coaxial cable. Its cost is more than UTP and coaxial cable. So it is one type of disadvantage. Then another disadvantage is more difficult installation. So why more difficult installation is disadvantage here? Because whenever you are connecting one wire to other wire to increase its distance, you need to cut many of the layerings you need to cut, so it is not easy to install. Then last one is high attenuation rate. So as like coaxial cable and UTP, it also have high attenuation rate, and that is the disadvantage here. Clear? So application of twisted pair is in normal cables or in normal wires we use twisted pair only, and in some of the LANs also we use twisted pair, and in some television cables also they might have used twisted pairs. So by looking at overlapping of pairs of wires, you can understand how it works like. Clear? So what is the advantage of this twist? Means this pairs that are twisted, the advantage is it will remove crosstalk between wires. Because of that twisted cable, the crosstalk was removed. So crosstalk means what then? So whenever we are transmitting the data from wires from one place to another place, one data may get affected by another data. Means one data may overlap by another data. In that case, because of signals overlapping at destination, the data may not be reached perfectly. Clear? So data may be reached at destination with some error because of overlapping of data signals, and that is what we call as crosstalk. So to remove this crosstalk of data, we have used twisted pairs. So as the pair of cables are twisted, there is no chance of overlapping of data from the pair of wires. So when the data moves from one wire, that follows its own path, and when data is moving from another wire, it follows its own path. So no overlapping of data signal. So no what? So there is no cross talk. Clear? So that is why we use twisted pairs. Understood the advantage of twisting the cables? Okay. So types of twisted pair are shielded and unshielded. So go through all characteristics and advantages and try to remember these. Thank you.